Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Somerset local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of movers will provide you with plenty of options when you book a long-distance move with us, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options to consider when you need to complete a long-distance move. Our team can make your move super easy, whether you're going 100 miles away, 500 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or even 2,000 miles away. Hiring a Kentucky moving company for a local move might seem unnecessary. This feeling goes away as you're lifting all the boxes and furniture into a rented truck and wished you had hired professional movers. Movers such as 3 Movers take all the worry away during a local move. You don't have to do the heavy lifting, recruit anybody to help you, or take extra time off from work. We get your local move done fast and stress-free. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Somerset moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.